Robot vacuums and mops have made home cleaning simpler and more efficient than ever. These smart devices can vacuum, mop, and even navigate around your furniture with ease, all while saving you time and effort. With features like app control, scheduling, and powerful suction, they adapt to different floor types and keep your home spotless with minimal input from you. Many of the best models now combine vacuuming and mopping in one device, making them even more convenient. Whether it's handling pet hair or cleaning spills, these robots are designed to tackle it all, giving you a cleaner home with less work. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to maintain your floors, the right robot vacuum and mop can make a world of difference. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop Y0110. The iRobot Roomba Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop Y0110 is a standout choice for those looking for a 2-in-1 cleaning solution that doesn't compromise on performance. This robot combines the power of a traditional vacuum with the effectiveness of a mop, making it ideal for homes and mixed flooring, such as hardwood, tile, or carpet. With iRobot's advanced navigation system, the Y0110 efficiently maps your space and adjusts its cleaning path based on your floor type, ensuring thorough cleaning without missing a spot. It features strong suction for picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair, while its mopping feature uses a wet mop cloth to gently scrub floors, leaving them gleaming and streak-free. The ability to switch between vacuuming and mopping modes makes it a versatile and time-saving tool. In terms of convenience, the iRobot Roomba Combo doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with smart features, including app control, so you can schedule and monitor cleaning sessions remotely. Plus, it's compatible with voice assistants like Amazon, Alexa, and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control. The Y0110 also includes a self-cleaning brush roll, which helps prevent hair tangles and ensures consistent performance. While the battery life is solid, it might require a recharge for larger homes, but the robot automatically returns to its charging station when needed. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Combo is a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use option for anyone looking to streamline their home cleaning routine. Number 4. RoboRock Q7 Max Plus. The RoboRock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a powerful and convenient cleaning solution with advanced features that make maintaining your home easier than ever. With 4200 PA suction power, it effectively picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair across carpets and floors. The robot also includes an Auto Empty Dock Pure, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning, allowing for hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. Its app-controlled mopping system lets you adjust water flow and mop settings for customized cleaning on various floor types, while no mop and no-go zones ensures it avoids areas you don't want cleaned. With an impressive 180-minute runtime, the Q7 Max Plus can clean large areas on a single charge, and when it's finished, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge. The robot works seamlessly with Alexa for voice control, making it easy to start, stop, or schedule cleanings. Whether you're tackling everyday dust or deep cleaning carpets, the RoboRock Q7 Max Plus is a reliable, efficient, and low-maintenance solution for busy households looking for a smarter way to keep their floors spotless. Number 3. YUI X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. The YUI X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop combines exceptional suction power and smart features to deliver a top-tier cleaning experience. With an impressive 8000 PA suction, it tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair effortlessly on both carpets and hard floors. Its dual mops, equipped with a 12mm auto lift function, adapt to different floor types by automatically lifting when transitioning from hard floors to carpet, ensuring no wet carpets. The robot also features carpet detection technology, which boosts suction power when cleaning carpeted areas for a deeper clean. Additionally, the AI obstacle avoidance ensures it smoothly navigates around furniture and obstacles, preventing collisions and ensuring efficient coverage. Designed for ultimate convenience, the YUI X10 Pro Omni takes maintenance off your plate with its auto mop washing and auto drying capabilities, keeping the mop cloths clean and dry between uses. The robot's self-emptying station automatically empties the dustbin, and the self-refilling feature ensures the water tank is always ready for the next cleaning session. With these smart, hands-free features, the YUI X10 Pro Omni offers a truly effortless cleaning experience, all controlled via the YUI Home app or through voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. For those seeking a high-performance, low-maintenance robot vacuum and mop, the X10 Pro Omni is an excellent choice. Number 2. Ecovac's DeBot T30S Care Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Ecovac's DeBot DeBot T30S Care Robot Vacuum and Mop is a powerhouse of cleaning technology designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with minimal effort on your part. With an impressive 11,000 PA suction power, this robot delivers exceptional cleaning performance, picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair from all types of flooring, including carpets, hardwood, and tile. Its zero-tangle technology ensures that hair doesn't get tangled in the brushes, making maintenance a breeze. The robot also features TrueEdge adaptive edge mopping, which allows it to clean edges and corners effectively, while its hot water mop washing function ensures the mop is always hygienically clean and ready for the next job. Whether you're dealing with sticky spills or dust buildup, the DeBot T30S is built to handle it all. Packed with intelligent features, the T30S Care takes convenience to the next level. The self-emptying base station automatically empties the dustbin, so you don't have to worry about frequent bin emptying. It also features self-refilling, where the robot automatically replenishes its water tank when needed, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. The auto mop lifting function lifts the mop when transitioning between carpets and hard floors, so you don't end up with wet carpets. On top of that, its obstacle avoidance system helps it navigate around furniture, avoiding collisions while optimizing its cleaning path. With advanced mapping, app control, and voice assistant integration, the Ecovac's DeBot T30S Care offers a seamless, hands-off cleaning experience, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, smart robot vacuum and mop. Number 1. Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo AV2610WA offers an impressive performance, combining both vacuuming and mopping in one device. It boasts incredible suction power, effortlessly picking up debris on both carpets and hard floors. The Matrix Clean system ensures thorough cleaning by using a precision grid to make multiple passes over dirt, improving carpet cleaning by 30%. Additionally, the Clean Edge Detect technology helps target hard-to-reach edges and corners, enhancing its cleaning coverage by 50%. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or dirt, this robot's self-emptying feature and HEPA filtration system make it a great choice for allergy sufferers, as it traps 99.97% of allergens down to 0.3 microns. Beyond just cleaning, this Shark vacuum offers thoughtful features for convenience. The robot empties its dustbin and recharges automatically, ensuring 60 days of hands-free operation without the need for replacement bags. The sonic mopping function, which scrubs the floor 100 times per minute, adds an extra layer of cleaning for hard floors, effectively tackling stuck-on stains. With its self-cleaning brush roll, the robot picks up hair and debris without worrying about clogs or tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. The AV2610WA is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution for any home, offering a superior cleaning experience with minimal maintenance. With so many fantastic robot vacuums and mops available, keeping your home clean has never been easier. Whether you're looking for powerful suction, smart navigation, or a hands-off cleaning experience, there's a perfect model for every need. Each one is designed to make cleaning as effortless and efficient as possible, so you can enjoy a spotless home with minimal effort. Why wait? Let these smart robots handle the hard work and free up your time, all while delivering top-notch results. With so many options on the market, keeping your home clean has never been this convenient or effective. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video helps you in choosing the best robot vacuums and mops. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, guides, and recommendations on the best tech products.